Okay, in this video we're going to go through the presentation mock. I'll skip out the questions that I think are really easy just to make the video a little bit shorter. So the first one is asking you to make a new blank presentation. Really easy. I don't need to show you how to do that. Question 2 says apply a design theme or a template of your choice. All you need to do is go to design, pick one of these themes, click on it and press answer. Question 3 asks you to save it. Make sure when you're saving things you save it with the correct name. Other than that, it should be easy. Switch to the chess presentation. Again, it's really easy, but if you're not sure what you're doing, down here, click on the icon, change to the chess presentation and press answer. Question 5, change the name and the user information to Bob Kane. We have done this one on Word, but we'll go through it again just in case. Let's close that off. File, and go down to options and change the username to Bob Kane. Make sure you don't accidentally press a space at the end of it or miss out a capital letter as well, otherwise you're going to end up using daft marks. Question 6, use the appropriate command to undo. You should all be able to press undo. It's that little back arrow. Where should you click to do the help function? It's that question mark up there. Question 8, select the view mode which is best suitable for quick editing. Now in the exam it might not be quick editing that you're asked to do, but the views, if you go to view, you've got the ones here. So the one to make quick edits is outline view, so you just press answer at that point. Question 9, what is considered good practice when creating slide content? So the text that goes on the slides, you don't want long phrases, you don't want loads of sound effects, it's just cheesy, and you don't want lots of different fonts as it looks daft, so using numbered lists is your correct answer. Zoom the presentation to 66%, exactly the same with Word. They've chosen a percentage that you can't just do by using the slider. You have to, seems to have frozen on mine, there we go, not responding. See if it comes back. Going to stop the video. Okay, seems to be working again now. So you click on the percentage down here and just change the percent manually in that box to 66%. So the next question is, how do you collapse the ribbon? That is in the wrong place. It's that little button there, and that will make the ribbon collapse. It's taken me to the wrong question. Let's get back to where we were up to. So question 11 we've done. Question 12, change the view mode to normal. The same way we did last time, you just go to view and then change that to normal. On slide 1, change the title slide, change the layout to title slide. Different ways of doing it. You can go to here, layout, and just change it to title slide. Obviously make sure that slide 1 is selected. On slide 1, apply a background colour of your choice. That's what you need to do. Make sure you've got slide 1 selected. Go to design, format background. Solid fills will be selected, so we just pick a colour of our choice and then press answer. Insert a new slide directly after slide 1 with a title slide layout. So to do that, you right click between the two, go to new slide, exactly the same as before, change it to a title slide layout. Move slide 3 after slide 4. On that slide sorter on the left, all you do is drag and drop them. Delete slides 12, right click on it and delete on the left. Remove the image of the chess piece from the bottom right hand corner of all the slides. So on this one, it's perhaps one of the first difficult ones, you can't click on it. And the reason for that is because it's on the master slide, so you need to go to view, slide master, and then you scroll all the way up to the top on the left hand side and click on that one. And then you can click on it and just press delete. Close the master view, and that's that one done. Enter the text chess into the footer for all the slides. Same as you would do on Word really. Just go to insert and then header and footer. Tick the box that says footer. Type in chess again, don't put a space, the computer will pick that up. Press apply to all, and that's that one done. Apply automatic slide numbering to all the slides in the presentation. So very similar to the footer one, we go to insert, slide number, tick the slide number box and press apply to all. On slide 1, enter the title chess, you can all type. 22, on slide 2, change the title, you should be able to do that. On slide 2, copy the word history to slide 3 before the words you can copy and paste. On slide 3, delete the words of chess, you can delete text. On slide 3, change the font size, you should be able to change font size. And you should be able to change something to bold, so we'll skip that one as well. On slide 3, change the font colour, you should be able to do font colour. And on slide 5, apply a sentence case to all the numbered list. We'll go over that one very quickly, we have done it in Word. So on slide 5, highlight the words, this button here, it was up there I think actually on Word, so just down here, change case, and it needed to be sentence case, and that's that one done. 28, add a title, you can do that. That's 29 actually, oh yeah. So 30, on slide 5, decrease the indent from the name Steinitz and make it part of a numbered list. So, click just before Steinitz on slide 5, and then there's this button here. You hover over it, it says decrease list level, press that and it will join up with the rest of the numbered list. Increase the line spacing on slide 5 for the numbered list. So we highlight the numbered list, we have this drop down box here which is line space, and we can set it to 2 lines. On slide 5, change the numbered list to a bullet point list of your choice. You should be able to do that, we'll do it really quickly. On slide 5, highlight them, pick a bullet, let's go with that one. And that's that one done. 33, halfway through. On slide 7, insert a column to the right of the name column. Again, you should be able to do this, but on slide 7, click in the name column, go to layout on table tools. You'll notice this menu wasn't here until I clicked in the table. So click in the table, go to layout and insert right. On slide 7, decrease the width of the first column to a width of your choice. Again, we have done this in Word. So on slide 7, click in the column, go to layout and change the width to a width of our choice, so we'll say 5 centimeters. That's that one done. 35, okay, so it's a bit longer. On slide 8, create a clustered column chart based on the data below. So the first thing you need to do is go to slide 8 and click on it. We are then going to go to insert and chart, and clustered column happens to be the one that's selected, but all of them are down here if it does ask you to pick anything else. If you hover over it, it gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. So press OK and we get a spreadsheet open up, and all we need to do is add the data in. And then make sure you don't make any spelling mistakes. If you want to resize the columns, just do so like you would do in Excel. Type in the numbers 2719, 2690 and 2651. I bet you're wondering why you didn't skip that bit now, aren't you? You then need to resize this box here so that it only includes the information that we needed, and then we can close this one off. And that is that task done. So 36. On slide 8, change the chart type to a bar chart. So on slide 8, we can click on the chart, underneath design, what's design? Under design, go to change chart type, and we just change it to a bar chart. Press OK and it does that for us. 37, on slide 8, enter the text players after the word top 10 in the chart title. That's just a case of clicking in the title and changing it, so we'll skip that one. 38, apply value data labels to all bars in the chart. The position is not important. So that's on slide 8. So we go to slide 8, click on the chart, under design we add a chart element, and we need the data labels. We'll put them in the center. Said it didn't matter where they needed to be, so we'll just choose center, and that's that done. So the next one on slide 8, change the background of the chart area colour to a solid colour of your choice. So click on the chart once, go to format, notice that chart area is selected. If it isn't, just choose it from there. Click on format selection, and we want a fill colour, a solid fill. Don't try and do anything fancy, I don't know whether their software will pick it up. Choose a sensible colour, and that's it. On slide 8, change the yellow bar Ukraine to a colour of our choice. So on this one, you click on the chart once and the whole chart's selected. Click on this bit and now just the chart area here is selected. Then click on the bars and all the bars are selected. Then click again on Ukraine. So it's a case of, I think it's 4 times you have to click on it so that it selects just the bar Ukraine. You can see that because the dots are around it. And then it's just the same thing again. Format selection, fill colour, fill, a solid fill, change the colour, perhaps don't pick one that's already there, and that's that done. On slide 10, insert the hierarchical organisation chart labelled organisational charts. So on slide 10, we go to insert smart art, and it's hierarchy, and if you hover over them it tells you what it is. It's called organisation charts, so you press OK. On slide 10, demote North America so it appears below South America. Click on North America, click on design up here and demote North America. On slide 10, remove North America, literally just click on them, press delete on your keyboard and it'll disappear. On slide 11, insert a picture, you can do that. 45, on slide 11, move the chess piece image so it's the same position. Okay, so on this one, on slide 11, what you need to do is right click on that and go to cut. Click on slide 12 and then just click on the paste button here, and it will make sure it's in the exact same position. 46, on slide 11, just crease the size of the chess piece so it doesn't cover it. All that means is make it a bit smaller so that it doesn't cover that. On slide 11, flip the arrow so it's horizontal. Click on it, go to format, rotate, flip horizontal. On slide 11, centre the middle circle horizontally. So click on it, go to, did this differently I think on the help guide, but you go to arrange and then align centre, or you could have gone to format, align centre, it would do exactly the same thing. Insert a left arrow shape on slide 11, or no, not on slide 11, but you just go to shapes and insert a left arrow and just draw it wherever it needs to be. I don't think it matters where it needs to be honest. On slide 11, enter the text checkmate in the block arrow. Sure, you can all do that. If you click on it, right click, edit text, type it in. Maybe click off it just so it sets it if you like. I've missed a question out, let's go back one. No, we'll do this one first and we'll go back to 51. So on slide 11, change the end style of the black arrow to one of your choice. So you click on the arrow, go to Format, Shape Outline, Arrows, and we can just change it to that one. On slide 11, increase the width of the circle. Click on the circle, double click, it will take, click on the circle and click on Format, change the outline's weight to 2. However, 2 is not there, so you have to go to More Lines and change it manually here to 2. Okay, 53, shadow effect to the circle called Setup. Click on it, go to Format, go to Shape Effects, Shadow, and pick a shadow. Ungroup all the shapes on slide 11. Click on them, right click, and go to Group, Ungroup. On slide 11, bring the circle with the text rules to the front. Again, I'm sure you all know how to do this, but just click on it, go to Arrange, bring to front. On slide 12, have a transition of your choice. 12, transitions, fade. On slide 12, remove the animation effect from the title. Click on the title, go to Animations, and just choose None. And that will take that animation off. Nearly done. 58, on slide 12, add a note that says exercise. Click on 12, click on Notes, and in here type in exercise. Again, don't put a space at the end of it. Change the output format to the presentation to overhead. So you go to Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, and change it to overhead and press OK. Question 60 is hide slide 2. Right click on it, hide slide. '61 is spell check, so review, spelling, and make the necessary changes. Make sure that, you know, if it's a place name and it's not in there, that you don't change it unless you can see that it's clearly incorrect. Change the slide orientation to landscape. When prompted, click Ensure Fit. So on this one you go to Design, Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, and change it to landscape. Press OK, Ensure Fit. That's that one done. 3 copies of printing, you change it in there, as you know. Save it as a PowerPoint 97 to 2003 format file. Save as, click on Z, and change it here to PowerPoint 97 to 2003 and press Save. Start the slideshow from the 6th slide, click on the 6th slide, go to Slideshow, and from current slide. And that is all of it. Okay, so if you don't pass after that, then I don't know what to do with you.